right, bro. Really, yeah, dude. I saw you have to my truck earlier, and I was like, I hope they're still.
Oh, yeah. I was just sitting here relaxing, and I'm gonna head back to Fort Worth.
Damn, Fort Worth.
Yeah.
That's a
little bit of a ride, yeah.
Are you hitting 67 or you getting the toll road?
Is that again?
Are you hitting the toll road or are you staying on 67?
I'm probably hitting the toll.
Yeah.
It's only gonna take up like 10 minutes.
Yeah. For sure.
Yeah. It's a lot of ice out today though, right?
Do what?
It's a lot of ice out today.
Yeah, I know. I saw one song, I was like, man, I gotta ride. But it's freaking windy.
Yeah, the wind is killing me.
Yeah.
Windy as hell.
Yeah.
It's killing me.
Even driving the truck, dude.
Yeah. Like you gotta get like yours is way heavy, so
Yeah.
you gotta get like this.
Yeah.
Let it breathe up, because I'm like riding, trying to like push the wheel. It's crazy.
Yeah. The only problem is cops, because and cars around here, it's hard to ride at 100. Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Yeah, brother. You got Instagram, bro?
Do what?
You got Instagram?
Yeah, I got Instagram and Snapchat. Yeah, what is it?
Yeah.
I don't even have this thing posted on there. Yeah, man, you come around here all the time?
You just random?
Yeah. I was like, man, last night I wanted to ride in Dallas, like downtown, but I didn't, like usually I just ride by myself.
Oh, yeah, I saw a couple guys that were just solo, and I was like, oh, that's crazy.
Yeah.
You got so many places to ride out here.
Oh, yeah. There's a lot of windy roads too, it's nice.
Yeah. So, that's me right there.
Oh, nice, bro.
Out here next week.
Yeah, hit me up.
All right, cool.
Nice seeing you, bro. What's your name?
I'm Kurt.
Cool. Yeah, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, brother. Drive safe.
All right, you too, man.